Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Irma and today I want to shadowing this video. This video talk about subject verb agreement with singular and plural nouns as subject. Okay, what is subject verb agreement? It means the subject of your sentence and the verb must match a number. Okay, so if the subject sorry
Noun subject means there is just one subject.
sorry guys,
What is subject verb with? Must be singular too.
if the subject is singular, the verb is singular too, and the subject is plural and the verb is singular too. Okay,
When the subject is a singular noun, you should add s, en. Singular noun subject means there is just one subject. The cat. When the subject is a singular noun, you should add s, es, or ies. The noun subject means there is just one subject. The cat. When the subject is a singular noun, you should add s, es, or ies to the verb.
okay. Singular noun subject, there is one subject. So if the subject is singular, we can add s, es, or ies to the verb. Okay.
The cat stretches. The cat cries. The cat drinks.
For example, is the cat stretches. Okay. We can add es, in the verb. And next is the cat cries. We can add ies in the verb, and next is the cat drinks. We can add s in the verb. Okay.
You should not add anything and just use the base form of the verb.
Okay. Plural noun subject. There is more than one subject. If the subject is plural, we use the base form of the verb. We don't add anything in the
The
verb.
cats stretch. The cat.
But if the subject plural, we can add s in the subject. For example, in the video is the cats stretch, the cats cry, the cats drink. Okay.
Cats. S, es, or ies to most verbs if the subject is singular. The cat jumps. Do not add anything if the subject is plural. The cats.
Okay. We add s, es, or ies to the verb if the subject is singular. For example, is the cat jumps. Okay, because the subject is singular, we add s in the verb. Okay. Do not add anything to the verb if the subject is plural. Okay, like this. Because the subject is plural, so we can add anything in the verb. Okay.
Now, I'll say yes.
Okay, for example is the teacher teach or teaches the lesson? Okay, so the answer is the teacher teaches the lesson because the subject is singular. So we add es in the verb. Okay.
Subject is singular. Students study or studies.
Okay. Another example is the student study or studies hard for exams. The students study or studies hard for exams. Okay, the answer is study
Hard for exams.
because the subject is plural. We can see. Okay, the teachers.
The correct answer is study. The subject is
Okay, last example is dolphins swim or swims in pots. Okay, the answer is swim because subject is plural.
swim. The subject is plural. Get it? I'll give you a little quiz on this
Okay.
later, so don't forget. Now, let's look at the tricky irregular plural nouns. We'll apply the same rule here. If the subject is singular, add s, es, or ies. And if the subject is plural, do not add anything to the verb. The child add et. Give you a little quiz on this later, so don't
Okay.
forget. Now, let's look at the tricky irregular plural nouns.
Okay, next is tricky irregular plural noun.
We'll apply the same rule
Nouns.
here. If the subject is
Okay.
singular, add
If the subject is singular or
s,
one,
es, or ies.
add s, es, or ies to the verb.
And if the subject is plural, do not add
Okay. If the subject is plural or more than one, do not add anything to the verb. Okay.
anything to the verb. The child reads books. The child is a singular noun, so we're going to add s to the verb. Reads. What if
Okay. The child read books. What is that? That is singular or plural? Okay, so the answer is singular because the subject is one. So we add s in the verb. Okay, read.
there is more than one child? The children read.
Okay, next is the children read books. So the answer is plural
Books.
because
The chil-
children is plural, not singular. Singular is child and plural is children. So we don't add anything in the verb. Okay guys, maybe that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for watching my video. Sorry if I made a mistakes, and the last I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you.